Today I am going to make lemonade. I had this drink when I was in India. So these are the ingredients. Some lemon, sugar, bowl, knife, spoon, ice cubes if you want, it is optional, and 180 milliliters of water. 180 milliliters is when the water goes to that line. So you would want to start by rolling the lemon. So it's easier to squish out all the good lemon. Then we're going to have to cut it. Make sure to have an adult help you cut the lemon. You don't need to take the seeds out. You can take it out when all the juice is squeezed. Now that I have taken the seeds out, we can add sugar. And if you have this little block of lemon, it doesn't matter. Now I am going to add water. All of it. And 4 spoons of sugar. 3, 4. And start mixing for about 2-3 minutes. Or until the sugar is dissolved. To check if it's dissolved, lift your spoon up, and if you don't see any sugar grains, then it is dissolved. But look, there's lots of sugar. Dissolve means when there's no sugar grains, but it's all got soaked up in the water and disappeared. Now that I've mixed it up, all the sugar has dissolved. There are no pieces. Now you have made your lemonade, but it's time for the cup part. I'm gonna add some ice, 2 pieces, and then pour the lemonade into the cup. You have now made your lemonade. It tastes very nice.